You won't need complicated equipment to do your installation. Just a few simple and inexpensive tools are all you will need. For professional installers, a guillotine is a faster tool for cutting. Our flooring can be installed over most hard surface subfloors. It should never be laid down over carpet. Tight fit installation method. Because of the unique design and precise manufacturing process of our flooring, our product can be installed without any glue. Without glue means you can install it as tight fit. Tight fit means tight against the wall, no expansion gap required. If the wall is not straight, you may have to scribe the first and last row to fit your wall's imperfections.